Meaning of heedlessly.
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 Heedlessly. Heedlessly refers to doing something without giving it proper attention or care, often resulting in negative consequences. This lack of caution can lead to mistakes, accidents, and even danger. People who act heedlessly may ignore important details, rush through tasks, or disregard warnings. For example, driving a car without looking both ways before crossing an intersection is an act of heedlessness that could result in a serious accident. In short, acting heedlessly can lead to avoidable problems and should be avoided whenever possible by taking time to consider the task at hand and being mindful of potential risks.